I'm Alan, also known as E34, and today I'm joined with Chris Bana, VW Master Tech over here. How you doing?
Good. Better.
Sensational. Okay. Got a few list of things to do today. Gonna move the engine back, trans seal, output shaft seal, drive shaft, exhaust, and then hopefully maiden journey. Before we get started, just wanted to say Ramadan Mubarak to everyone that's fasting with me this year. Hope you had an easy fast so far. Let's get started, I guess.
Yes. Oh, and if I go like this, is that better?
Oh, yes. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Yep. That's it. Yep.
Alright, off the...
Stack of 4, transmission riser. Condor approved.
Oh, fuck.
Condor riser.
That's how small they are?
The 20 mil?
Quick little explanation on why I'm using washers out of all things to raise my transmission, put them on top of my transmission mounts. This is something that Condor doesn't tell you, and I really wish they did. They haven't said it years ago, and they still haven't updated their page today, and I think it's something that should seriously be addressed. But when you use their Condor engine risers to raise your engine, you have to raise the transmission, otherwise you'll shred your brand new Guibo in 10,000 miles or even less. Don't ask how I know. I've shredded a couple of Guibos like that until I realized, oh, I should probably raise the transmission, that way it's level with the engine. In my case, I found only 4 washers of average size, I guess, was decent enough to make the transmission level, and I've never had any sort of Guibo issues ever since.
I lowered the trans. Let's go. Shitty ass seal, bro. Goddamn. Nice.
This needs to come.
Yeah, using the old seal. Sheesh. I hate cars too, bro. God damn it. Alright, it's a new day today. Got a little exhausted yesterday, a little tired, a little hungry as I'm fasting. So we finished the bulk of it yesterday, me and Chris. Hopefully we can get it driving today. Back section of the muffler, actually heat shield first, O2 wire with the bracket. I think that's it. Let's get started. Oh man. Yeah, side note, anyone that says this is fun on Instagram, right? You know, they're like, oh hee hee, look at me installing some bullshit on my car. You're a phony. This shit ain't fun. I got shit in my eye, man. Let's get a bolt started by hand. Now, we have to do the rear section of the exhaust. That way we can properly route this. I don't know if you can see this. There's an O2 wire dangling here. There's a bracket that goes with it. But we gotta do the rear section first. Game plan for the rear section of the exhaust. Probably gonna hold the muffler up with a box. It's just me right now. I'm gonna use this jack to lift up the midsection so I can bolt the flanges on in the middle. All right, let's give it a shot. Shout out Walmart for the box. Let's go. Okay, that's somewhat high enough. All right, temporarily switching to the phone over here. We got 2 different types of gaskets. The skinny one goes on this type of flange, right? And this bigger looking one, sort of, if I can move this back a little bit, it slides over like that and it seals like that. So we gotta mate these 2 together and then we can do the rest of the hangers in the back. Here we go. All right. There's that stupid exhaust on. All right, so excuse the jack stand in the way, but we do have to put this this little bracket for the O2 wire that's hanging, so let's go do that. It's 2 10mm little plastic nuts that go into studs in the body. Let's route it in this little tunnel thing. And one last thing we cannot forget, crucial, our fan, all covered in spider webs. I guess for now that does conclude the swap. There's nothing else that needs to go back on the car except the wheel in the back. Can't forget about my little crank position sensor wire cover. Nice. Bags are aired up. Cool. We're on the ground. Holy shit. This car hasn't been on all four wheels since November. Quick little change of clothes just so I'm clean. Let's go drive it, I guess. Let's see what happens. Okay. Little lip scrape. All right, we're mighty low on gas. I don't know why, but this car has never gotten this many looks, ever, in my entirety of owning this. I guess because I have no hood, but like, it's nothing crazy, man. It's just a car with no hood. Yo, what are you up to? Alright, just pulled up to Andre's crib. See what he thinks of the swap. Oh. Alan.
I think you should let me go and turn around so you can see it rolling and get a nice little clip of yourself. Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is how you launch Alan's brand new E30.
Don't launch it, man.
Stall it.
What?
What? Stall it?
No, just go normally.
Stall it. Okay, floor it!
Alright, later. Turn on my running lights. My Euro city lights. About to go take some pictures. Yeah, I think just needs top off on trans fluid, loosen the steering box, and it's basically a done swap because looking at it right now, it's not moving back to center. It's really stiff, so if I keep it like this, it's gonna grind the box basically to pity. No vibrations in the drive shaft, at least, which is good. I was really worried this drive shaft was going to be all vibrating and stuff. I put a new CSB and everything, but he didn't align where they meet in the splines. So I don't know. The guy was interesting character, but at least he shipped it to me in the most dodgiest box I've ever seen. Like the drive shaft damn near fell out of the box when it came to my house. Couldn't believe in myself either. People are really that stupid, man. This was the last post, right? November 23rd. I think it was around this tree. You need to see. It was right up here then. It's right here. We're brewing a storm. Gotta make it home quick. There's a storm coming. Yeah, no weird vibrations, going about 60 miles an hour. I think we're good, thank God. Alhamdulillah. That concludes our first drive. Let's go. Well, it's been a few days since the last clip. Since then, went on a test drive, saw everything was okay, and you can see, got the hood on. Looks like a complete car now. There was a couple issues that I addressed since then. Power steering banjo bolt needed a couple new crush washers, and the Vanos banjo bolt also needed a couple new crush washers. I assume from taking it off and putting it back on while diagnosing the cam issue, it only has a certain amount of times it can be reused, so it started leaking. As for that, it's very dirty. It's finally time for a wash. So we're back to where we started with a completed S52 swap. Everything is basically buttoned up. All I gotta do now is start daily driving again. It's been a while, it's been since November, haven't washed it, haven't daily driven it. I do miss the car a lot. So I do look forward to having our 500-mile break-in, and I guess I'll keep you posted on that until the next one. Damn, bro.